welcome back to Detect CAD Solution. I am Gaurav Patil, a SOLIDWORKS Champion and Mechanical Design Engineer, and today I am going to show you how engineering students can legally get SOLIDWORKS for a free. Yes, actually, this is a huge opportunity for students who are preparing for campus placement, working college projects, also um, want to build your professional CAD portfolio and learning product design. This will also helpful for your mechanical uh, career or your manufacturing industry career. This will really helpful for planning your studies, right? Also, with this free SolidWorks Design Standard license, you'll get a chance to learn professional 3D CAD tools, which has been used by industries worldwide. Also, you'll get learning resources to improve your design skills, and the most important thing you'll get with this license is access to the global student community where you actually can share your problems and you'll get the solutions, right? So everything you need for your academic projects and professional and personal innovation, you'll get the whole package in this license. Okay. So if in case later you feel you want to learn more things, more advanced things, more related to simulation, additional professional tools, you'll also have chance to upgrade your license from standard to premium. The basically premium version also gives a student the opportunities to prepare industrial recognized certifications like you already know SolidWorks certifications like CSWA, CSWP, which will really helpful for building your resume for the interview, right? So now let me show you step by step how you actually can register, verify your student status, and download free SolidWorks license. Okay, so let's move to the screen. Yes, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can use that link and open directly official website. Okay, and this is how the website looks once you open using the link. Okay. I'll show you what is the difference between the premium version and standard version. So, um, if you don't know, let me tell you, SolidWorks is only used uh, on Windows PC. So basically, installation requirement is you need to use Windows PC. Okay. More than that, I'll show you what you exactly get with the standard license. As we discussed, we have part assemblies, 2D drawings, and then learning resources, then online community. This four thing you'll get. But if you have premium version, you have to pay 60,000, sorry, 60 dollar per year, and with that you'll get tool room, also model based definitions and CNC machining, electrical simulation, rendering, and related this you'll get certifications also like CSW, CSWP. This whole package you'll get if you buy a premium version later. Okay, so let me show you the process how you can apply for the student version. So with the student standard license, you once you click you'll get this page open. Here you can see you have to fill your information like mail ID, school, university name, country, education level, field of study. Then you have to click on this box by first of all you have to read this terms and condition, and then you have to click on this box, all the four blocks. Once you read and clicked all the boxes. You have to click on next. Then you will get the link and your serial number for downloading, and then you also get the mail related to that. Okay, here you have installation guide. By downloading this, you can uh, check how to activate your SolidWorks license, how to install your SolidWorks. Okay, uh, then you have online training option. You can use this catalog also for learning if you are new with the SolidWorks, and also if you want to get certified from the Station System SolidWorks, you can also buy your certificates from here. Okay, so for that you have to click here. Then you have to follow the process. I will if you want me to create a specific video on this get certificate, how to get certificate, how to use this training catalog, I'll create another video. So basically this video is only for the people who only for the students who wants to install, who wants to learn SolidWorks but unable to because of the paid version and their premium charges. But now by understanding the student, SolidWorks came with this idea. So this is a huge and very nice opportunity for the student. I hope you student grab this opportunity and download this version and create amazing and mind-blowing designs by using SolidWorks license. Okay, so if you know any engineering student, professors, or any colleges, please share this video with them. Also, if you could help someone start their journey in professional product design, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Detect CAD Solution. For more design tutorial and design projects, career guidance, and engineering content, I'll share every week one video related to career about engineering and engineering content for you guys. So subscribe my channel. Okay, I'll see you in next video. Till that, thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care.